Hi, my name is Claire. So three assets that I feel I can contribute to this class. One would probably be my experience in the field. I worked for the same agency for the last 5 years. It's an agency that's located outside of Boston, Massachusetts. I had a few different roles in my time there, so I got a lot of different experience. But again, it was the same agency the last 5 years. My first role with them was as a therapeutic mentor. So I worked one-on-one with the youth who was an identifying client, just to work on whatever goals the therapist had identified for them, and we, worked on them out in the community in a very tangible way. My second role was as a care coordinator, and this was more of a coordination role, but I still had kind of a therapeutic aspect to it. And again, the identifying client was a youth, but we really worked with the whole family, the whole team. And that could consist of doctors, teachers, other providers, even extended family members, friends, whoever the child in the family identified it as important supports. And then my more recent role was in-home family therapy. I worked as a therapeutic training and support person. I worked alongside a master's level clinician and just provided whatever support was needed. I sat in on the therapy sessions, engaged in the activities with the clinician and the client, and whatever family members were present. And again, it was in-home. It was a pretty intensive form of care. It was a couple hours at a time, 2 times a week, kind of just under hospitalization. So I think being able to apply those experiences to a class like this is definitely going to be helpful. I guess my second asset going off of that would kind of just be my open-mindedness. Am I willing to accept that, even though I learned a lot in those 5 years, my experience is limited and I did work with a very specific population. So I'm really willing to hear, other people's perspective, other people's experiences, and just really learn and grow during this class. And then my third asset, I think, would just be my general interest in the topic and field. I have a passion for social work. I really love what I did and do. And I think just having that energy and that passion really helped me be interested and take part in this class and engage in the discussions. So yeah, I really look forward to working with you guys this semester. Thank you.